Let's begin our video from number 10 Malayalam, which is official language in Kerala state and spoken widely by Malayali people not just in Kerala but also in Lakshadweep and Pondicherry. With more than 3 crore 48 lakh speakers, early records of Malayalam is said to be found in year 830 AD and it is believed to be originated from Tamil language. Next in list is number 9 Odia, which is official language of Odisha state and spoken widely in the region of eastern India. With more than 3 crore 75 lakh speakers across country, language is said to be as old as 1500 years. Coming in number 8 Kannada, which is official language of Karnataka, and one should not forget that Kannada is one of the oldest surviving language in world. With more than 4 crore 37 lakh Kannada speakers, language is 2500 year old and spoken widely not just in South India but also spoken largely in parts of Australia, United States and Canada. Coming to 7th in list Urdu, which is widely spoken across country by Muslim community. With more than 5 crore speakers, Urdu is said to be originated from early age of Mughals by mixing Persian, Arabic and Hindi. 6th in list is Gujarati, which is Indo-Aryan language and also a official state language of Gujarat. With more than 5 crore 54 lakh speakers, language is said to be born in 12th century from Sanskrit and spoken widely in the region of Gujarat, Daman, Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Next in number 5 is Tamil, which is said to be one of the oldest language in world. Even though Tamil is official state language of Tamil Nadu, it is also an official language for both Singapore and Sri Lanka. With more than 6 crore 90 lakh Tamil speakers, language is widely spoken in South India and in different parts of world. Number 4 in list is Telugu. Yes, Telugu, which is also one of the South Indian language and said to be 4500 years older. With more than 8 crore 11 lakh people speaking Telugu in India, Telugu is official state language for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Not to forget, it is one of the fastest growing language in foreign countries like America and Australia. Coming to 3rd in list is Marathi, which is said to be existed at least 2300 years ago, and it is also said that Marathi is evolved through Sanskrit, Prakrit and Apabhramasa in stages of Indo-Aryan languages. With more than 8 crore 30 lakh people speaking Marathi in India, it is officially recognized as state language of Maharashtra and spoken widely in bordering states of Maharashtra. 2nd in list is Bengali, which is Indian Aryan language spoken mostly in South Asia and only in India. More than 9 crore 72 lakh people speak Bengali, and numbers will increase to 25 crores if we consider Bangladesh, where Bengali is official language of country. It is said that language is as old as 1300 years and spoken widely in eastern Indian states of West Bengal, Jharkhand, Assam and Tripura. And first in list is Hindi, which is spoken by more than 52 crore 83 lakh people across country. Even though it is derived from Sanskrit in 12th century, Hindi is spoken in all Indian states and one should not forget that Hindi is 4th most spoken language in world.